New research from the Bank of International Settlements, BIS, urges policymakers to future-proof themselves against the negative impacts of an unchecked metaverse on the digital economy. The BIS research stated that to keep the metaverse from fragmenting and being controlled by vital commercial interests, regulation-backed interoperable payment systems will be required. According to the BIS report, it is not a foregone conclusion that the metaverse will achieve widespread adoption. Interest in the metaverse, also known as immersive computer-generated environments, peaked in early 2022, with Facebook changing its name to Meta. The 31-page report also issues a warning, stating that virtual and money ecosystems in the future may become fragmented and dominated by powerful private firms. To offset this threat, the BIS report recommends that policymakers promote more efficient, interoperable payments that can fulfill user demands. To provide clear standards on data privacy, digital ownership, and consumer protection, the report urges regulators to create frameworks. However, the report divides the metaverse into centralized and decentralized platforms. A centralized metaverse, where, for example, a future Zuckerberg eventually decides how payments function inside the ecosystem, would not be interoperable, according to the BIS's most recent assessment. According to BIS, fees could lead to top-down rent-seeking behavior among users. Additionally, they can lose control of their transaction information. German electronics firm Rohde & Schwarz is testing animated avatars that use augmented reality, AR, to make video calls in the metaverse and other extended reality-based applications. Calls leverage an advanced form of 5G technology and are made using a smartphone and a pair of AR smart glass. This is seen as crucial to making interactions in virtual worlds more immersive and personal, the Munich-based company announced. Rohde & Schwarz is working with U.S. tech firm Slalom to develop the tools prior to market launch and is expected to demonstrate the technology at the Mobile World Congress 2024 in Barcelona, Spain, later this month. The company's developed a testbed for applications that rely on extended reality, basically, concepts and platforms that include virtual, augmented, and mixed reality, like the metaverse. Slalom built an animated avatar that runs on a powerful cloud-based computer, which is connected to a so-called 5G one-box signaling tester from Rohde & Schwarz known as RNSCMX500. The signals testing device simulates a 5G network, allowing users to make a call and talk to the augmented reality animated avatar using a 5G-capable smartphone. People can see the avatar using a pair of smart glass that are paired with their phones. For the experiment, Rohde & Schwarz used a Motorola Edge 40 Pro smartphone linked to Lenovo's Think Reality A3 smart glass, where the animated avatar was displayed. The system can also loop back user voices, the company said, and in the future, it could be used to check the quality of audio using algorithms. According to the firms, a major aspect of the avatar's animation is that it is able to mimic head movements to show that a person is attentive and listening during calls. Manchester United owners are planning to have players wear augmented reality, AR, cameras on their bodies during matches, allowing fans to experience a game through the eyes of their favorite player in the metaverse, according to ESPN. Fans around the world will be required to pay a fee for the new 90-minute immersive experience by the Glazer family, the Sports Network reported, citing people with knowledge of the matter. The American family, which bought the English Premiership side in 2005, sees AR as part of a broader strategy for innovation, fan engagement, and revenue growth. The plan dovetails with the Glazers' vision for the future of the club, the report said, even though the family recently sold 25% of Manchester United to British billionaire Jim Ratcliffe. The idea to use augmented reality bodycams during soccer games was first floated by Ed Woodward, the erstwhile executive chairman and CEO of Manchester United. The big idea, or maybe the big hope, that the Glazers have, and this was driven by Ed Woodward, is the emergence of augmented reality, said a source, according to ESPN. The technology is already out there whereby a player could have an AR wearable on his body and a supporter anywhere in the world could pay a small fee to experience a game through the eyes of his